Hey guys, welcome to Online Learning Week 4. Hard to believe we are already here starting Week 4. I want to say congratulations to my third hour class. You guys were the very first people to turn in your work this past week, making your teachers super happy. So on that note, I'm going to go ahead and get into what it is that I'm looking to receive from you for this week. We do have a test this week, so the first thing you're going to do is go ahead and watch this YouTube video called Test Review, and you'll take the notes for that. You only need to do numbers 1 through 7 and number 11. You don't have to do 8 through 10, and you'll see in the notes that I'm going to have you print out to copy in, I did not include numbers 8 through 10 on that. Now, this is covering 9.1 through 9.3, but you're also going to be tested over section 9.5, so I made a Kahoot to help you to review for that. When you get to the Kahoot, you're going to see a section that looks just like this, and it says enter your nickname. I want to emphasize to you, do not put in a nickname. Instead, I am looking for your first and last name in order to give you credit for this assignment. Next up, you do have your test. This test is going to be over the same exact material that you had your quiz on this past week. Now, we did have some slight problems with a few people not really listening to all of the instructions that were told to you. So I'm going to make it very clear to you. You must submit work to me just like this. This is how we've done our work all year long. You're going to label it Test 1. You will have over here your name, class, and your number. And then you can see right here, just like we've done all year long, you must number every single problem, write the original problem, show me your work, and box in your answer. If I do not receive this from you, it is as if you did not take the test. If I don't have your work, I cannot give you credit for it. The test that I'm giving to you is going to be a multiple choice test. You cannot just write down the answer is C. You have to show me work to show me that you understood how to get to C. Otherwise, it seems like you're just taking a simple guess. So I must see your work in order to give you any credit for this test. After you complete the test, the final thing for this week is going to be moving on to the next chapter, chapter 10.1. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and watch the YouTube video. You'll take the notes that will be attached in the lesson planner. And then after that, you're going to go ahead and go on the Big Ideas portal, and you will submit your 10.1 homework assignment. There was a feature that I talked about in the last week's online learning video about how to check your homework. Please remember to really utilize these buttons down here. This number will check it before you even submit it. It gives you 3 chances to be able to check to see if you have the right answer. If you still don't understand it, please press this button. It will help you and reteach you the concept to make sure that you understand how to do that problem. Next up, I just want to remind you, you will find all of the information you need for the week in the lesson planner. I do not want to sound like a broken record that keeps saying the same thing over and over again and cause some of you to feel like this. So if for some reason you still do not understand where to find the information that you need for the week, please re-watch the online learning video week 3 where I went into complete detail of how you need to get your information from the lesson planner. I want to say thank you to each of you who came to our optional Zoom help class this past week. This week we will also have another one. It'll be Monday at 1 o'clock. Last week the time was different, but this one will be at 1 o'clock. And here's what I really want to emphasize to you. Check your grade in the portal, and if you made a C, D, or F on the quiz, I would really like you to come to this Zoom help class because I can go ahead and go through the problems that you missed and try to help you to do better for your test, which is 50% of your grade. Now, I also mentioned this in my online learning video from week 3, but I just want to re-emphasize to you, from now on through the rest of the year, all of your work is due on Fridays at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Remember, just as you would leave Trinity on Fridays at 3 o'clock, all of your work must be submitted to me by 3 o'clock on Fridays. I truly hope that each of you have a wonderful Easter, that you're staying safe, using those masks and not getting any germs. I hope you're able to have some fun with your family this week instead of just doing a bunch of school. I miss each of you, and I look forward to hearing from you this week. Shoot me a text or maybe an email. Let me know something fun that you've done this week that has to do with Easter. Talk to you later, guys.